Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a marquee effect on Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Shopify dashboard and click Edit Code to access the code editor. In the Sections folder, click Add New Section, name it Marquee.liquid, and hit Done. Next, copy the code provided in the description below. It contains the marquee effect code. Simply copy the entire code from the document. Go back to your Shopify code editor, remove any old code from the new section, and paste the copied marquee code. Click Save at the top right corner to store your changes. Now go to Customize Theme. Tap Add Section and choose Marquee from the list. You can drag and drop it anywhere on your page to position it exactly where you want. Finally, click Add Text and type in your announcement or message. Your Shopify store will now display a dynamic sliding marquee effect that draws attention. So that's basically how you can add a marquee effect on Shopify. That's it for this video. Thanks.